These are the 8 essential books to learn data science basics. In an era where data is hailed as the new oil, the demand for data scientists continues to soar. Data science, a multidisciplinary field that extracts insights and knowledge from data, has become a cornerstone of many industries. For those aspiring to enter this dynamic field, building a solid foundation is essential. Books are a timeless source of knowledge, and in this video, we'll explore 8 must-read books that will teach you the basics of data science, making your journey into this fascinating world more accessible. 1. Python for Data Analysis by Wes McKinney. Wes McKinney's book is a fantastic starting point for beginners. It focuses on the practical use of Python, one of the most popular programming languages in data science. You'll learn how to work with data structures, perform data cleaning, and apply statistical analysis. The book also introduces the powerful Pandas library for data manipulation. 2. Data Science for Business by Foster Provost and Tom Fawcett. Data science isn't just about algorithms. It's also about understanding the business applications. This book delves into the practical aspects of data science for business, helping you grasp the value of data-driven decision-making. 3. The Elements of Statistical Learning by Trevor Hastie, Robert Tibshirani, and Jerome Friedman. For a more in-depth understanding of the statistical foundations of data science, this book is a staple. It covers a wide range of statistical techniques and machine learning algorithms and is ideal for those looking to delve deeper into the mathematical aspects of data science. 4. Data Science for Dummies by Lillian Pearson. True to the For Dummies series tradition, this book breaks down complex data science concepts into easily digestible pieces. It's an excellent choice for beginners who want to explore the basics and gain a holistic understanding of data science. 5. Introduction to the Theory of Statistics by Alexander McFarlane Mood, Franklin A. Graybill, and Dwayne C. Bowes. This classic text is an introduction to the theoretical foundations of statistics. While it may be more mathematically rigorous, it's a valuable resource for those who want to dive deep into the mathematical underpinnings of statistics and data analysis. 6. Machine Learning Yearning by Andrew Ng. Written by the co-founder of Google Brain and an AI pioneer, Andrew Ng's book is focused on the practical aspects of machine learning. It's a must-read for those interested in the hands-on application of machine learning techniques. 7. Python Machine Learning by Sebastian Rashka and Fahid Merjali. For those looking to harness the power of Python for machine learning, this book is an excellent resource. It covers key machine learning concepts and practical implementation using Python libraries like scikit-learn. 8. Storytelling with Data by Cole Nussbaumer Knaflic. Data visualization is a crucial aspect of data science. This book guides you on how to convey data-driven insights through compelling and impactful data visualizations effectively. Thank you for watching this video.